Going to practice.
Practice for what?
Cats.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep.
This is my camper, Cameron.
This is so funny watching you vlog.
Why?
I don't know.
And this is my camper, Josh.
What's up, you guys have
Super
met me.
cool.
I never knew he was from Italy. He sounds American. Like, comment in the comment section what you thought he was at first. I always thought he was American because he sounds American to me. I don't know, everyone agrees with me. But he's actually Italian, so I didn't know that, so
Where are we going?
We're going to the Scott.
Why?
We're going to the Scott because there's a broken LED that we need to bring back to the pub. And it's an excuse to use the gator.
Yes, it is.
No. Oh, mate!
Are you going to drive the way back?
I'm going to drive on the way back because I don't trust Andrea.
That's why you're coming with me. You driving? Yes, you are.
It's good fun, especially in like the country and stuff.
Yeah, what about traffic? I'm pretty sure they're not going to be able to hear anything.
Going on. Andrea hates you all.
leave me alone.
No, I'm joking. Have fun.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Jack. I'm really tired. I want to go back to bed.
I'm Jaden. Ryan.
And they're awesome actors. Yeah. Come here. No, you come here. Introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Rory. I'm
wait,
from
it's
Australia.
pretty
Good.
You don't sound Australian. You don't sound Australian.
Would
Are
you like
sure?
me to sound Australian? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, g'day. How you doing? I'm Rory. I'm from Australia. Are you happy?
Yes,
But
I
I used to
am.
speak like this. I just did a show with this guy. He did lighting for Peter Pan. He was pretty cool.
Hi, Luke. He's the
Is
best.
this a video?
Yes,
Oh
it
my
is
goodness,
a
this is
vlog.
so exciting. Hello.
He's the best guy at camp.
Good morning,
I'm
sunshine.
Nora.
The earth says hello.
So the first day I've driven the gator here. Come. It was me and Natty. So I did the driving test here and it was fine. I was with Natty, they had a lighting, and I smashed the gator on the pillar here.
I want to drive against it. On this pillar?
I did that.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
How? You ever used a steering wheel before, you mongrel?
That's my camper.
Hi, Andrea.
Hi.
Andrea PSI.
Shut up.
Can you leave me alone?
No, I'm not gonna. I was supposed to be in my class, but nobody showed up for my class. So I've decided to go and help my the other lighting designers in their theater. So this is Darcy.
Hello.
The lighting designer in the arena. This is the arena. One of the 5 theaters here at Frenchwoods. And he's working on Noises Off. My favorite play.
You really?
Yeah.
Are you still recording? Hey guys, this Jack says he's not a virgin. I thought he was.
I can't put that in the
That's gonna be
vlog.
the title of your video,
I
man.
can't put that in the vlog.
Jack a virgin question mark? Let's go! Come on. Why are we stopping? We can't go. We have to keep moving. Let's go. Come on.
So Alessandro, what are you doing?
Pushing these kids to become better citizens. That's what I'm doing.
Alessandro!
Here we are at Frenchwood just before Showtime. As you can see, we've still got stagecraft doing stuff. I've got mic checks. Andrea's made sure all the lights work, and yeah, it's going to be a good show. Goodbye, girl, and yeah, we'll see how it goes.
In the
Yeah, you want
is
to.
it?
This is the stage manager.
Isn't this gonna be
very cool.
a time lapse?
Maybe I could do that.
Oh,
But this is not a time lapse. This is just a recording. Why are you laughing?
Because he told me he was gonna do a time lapse.
I'm going to time lapse. Cool. I could do that. Bye.
God, yes.
Do you know the story of this? You
Yes,
know the
I was there
purpose?
for it.
You were there?
I was
Okay,
there
tell
for
me
Elf.
then.
I was on board for Elf.
Tell me the story then, because I know
So-
the purpose of it.
So, Elf. So last year, we're at the very last show, no, second to last show of Elf. They're doing a video recording. And somehow, the air conditioners were set on auto. So they turned off halfway through the show, and it's the middle of summer, got really hot, and all the fire alarms went off. During
the
the
show?
very last number, we literally had 10 seconds left, and they had to power everything down. They lost everything, and they had to record the show the next night.
That is
And the
so
next night, we're sitting here, and it starts beeping because it's low battery. And we're like,
How do I get there?
that's why it's not up there anymore.
See you later. That was pretty cool.
Well done.
Yeah. Better than I thought. I mean, we're from Sam forgetting the
I like the explosion.
Oh,
You know?
thank you. I won't let the word get out on that.
Yeah. Did you like the show?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I like how we're able to talk through cues real quick
Yes.
and in big terms, and then you're like, no, I got it. Let's take away some light. That took our show over the top tonight. It did.
Elena, do you have any idea what to do today?
Yeah, so what we've been doing with some of the younger students is we've been letting them think of their own story and like their own play, and then lighting the stage to kind of tell that story, and then sometimes they get excited and they like run up on stage and act it out and stuff like that. They're guinea pigs.
Dominic. Kids can be very weird.
Can the parents of these children not sue us, please? This is all in good humor.
Yes.
Thanks.
We love them.
Oh yes, very much.